Good morning, children. We had seen that Delhi was a fortified town. Okay, it is known as garrison, and the sultans, their control was limited up to garrison. Okay, so garrison is a kila, which we have discussed earlier. Even they did not control up to that hinterlands. Then next what happened? Expansion started. We had read all these things. So now in between, Mongols invasion we had seen. Yes. So impact of Mongol invasion on Delhi Sultanate, and now what challenges these sultans faced. Today we will see this. Then we come to administration topic. So the northeastern part of Iran, Transoxiana, old name of Central Asia, was invaded by the Mongols. Now under Genghis Khan in 1290. Soon after, they attacked Delhi Sultan. During the reign of Alauddin Khilji, an early reigning period of Muhammad Tughlaq, there was an increase in the attack of the Delhi Sultanate. So now consequently they had to mobilize a large standing army in Delhi. Then we know that with the help of Alauddin Khilji, this Ghiazuddin Balwan, Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq, this Delhi Sultans, they created, they invaded India and created a lot. Okay, up to this, then expansion started. First within their area, that is up to inside Delhi, and after that outside Delhi. These things we have seen. Okay, expansion with Ghiazuddin Balwan, Muhammad Tughlaq and Alauddin Khilji. Now come to our next topic, that is administration under the Delhi Sultan. So this before proceed to the administration, we have to understand certain terms. What is that? First one is Bandagan. You might have seen while reading these terms. Bandagan means slaves purchased for military service by Delhi Sultan. Next is Iqta. Iqta is Khilji and Tughlaq, they appointed military commanders, and these military commanders helped sultans at the time of war. So they were given territories, that is a big land. There is sizes are there, varying sizes. So these lands were called Iqta. Okay, means this sultans, they were given them territories, lands, and that land is known as Iqta. Now what is Mukti and Iqtedar? The holder of Iqta, जो land के जो holder थे, the holder of Iqta was called Mukti or Iqtedar. Now come to the functions of Muktis. What were the functions? So they led military campaign. Next, they maintained law and order in their Iqtas. They collected revenue from their Iqtas and paid salaries to their soldiers. From their Iqtas only, वो land से जो revenue आता था, they had to pay to their soldiers. Now, next step is some of the duties were also there. What are they? Some steps taken to ensure that Muktis perform their duties. First one is their office was not made hereditary. Meaning is that if a father is Mukti, it is not necessary that his child would do the same thing. That is not necessary. They were assigned land as salaries for a short period of time before being they transferred. Now accountants were appointed to check the amount of revenue collected by Muktis. So accountants were appointed. Then care were taken that the Muktis collected only the taxes prescribed by the state. अपने मन से नहीं, whatever the state prescribed they will have to take. That he kept the required number of soldiers. Now come to There, during Alauddin Khilji's reign, there were 3 types of taxes. What were they? One is the kharaj, that is 50% of produce. Suppose our production is 100 rupees. So they had to give 50 rupees to the rulers. That were their tax. That is the system. Next is cattle tax. Other one is house tax. Okay. So today we have read up to this. That means what? Before, if we start the lesson starting from the beginning, we have seen that Delhi is a fortified town. That means military base है, base था, वो किला था, protected by the soldiers, and hinterlands, that is a port जहाँ पे सारे supplies, goods, जो भी eatables, clothes, whatever the things, it is the system कि वहाँ पे आता था. Then people were given all these things as a tribute because वहाँ direct sultans का control नहीं था. Okay, next we have seen about circle of justice, कि whatever the production, farmers, they will have to give the revenues from their production. It is only applicable or can be considered if the sultans, if they were very much given that कि वो farmers को they were given what means what is that term? I have to see. Okay, that means circle of justice, where we have. Okay, we will see this afterwards. I have missed that term.